guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make brownie cookie dough cheesecake bars. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. To make the cookie dough, in a large bowl, add in the softened butter, brown sugar, and vanilla extract, and beat them with an electric mixer for about 3 minutes until light and pale. Then add in the egg and beat the mixture for another minute. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and add in the mini chocolate chips, and mix them in by hand until they're combined and you don't see any more dry flour. Then line an 8-inch square baking pan with plastic wrap, and add about half of the cookie dough into the pan. You can bake the other half as regular cookies or scoop them onto a pan and freeze them. And press the cookie dough into the pan until it's even. Add more plastic wrap on the top. Press the cookie dough a little more if you need to. And place it into the freezer for now. To make the brownie batter, in a large saucepan, add in the butter and chopped unsweetened chocolate, and place the saucepan onto the stove over a low heat and heat it until it's completely melted. Stir it constantly so it heats evenly and to keep it from burning. Then remove it from the heat. Add in the sugar and mix it until it's combined. If the mixture is quite hot, then let it cool slightly. Then add in the eggs and vanilla extract and mix them in until they're well combined. Then add in the flour and mix it in until it's just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Remove the pan from the freezer. Place the cookie dough sheets back into the freezer. Grease the pan. Pour the brownie batter into the pan. Level the top. And bake it in the oven for 15 minutes until it's barely starting to set but not fully cooked. Then remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely. To make the cheesecake batter, in a medium bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer just until they're smooth. Don't whip the mixture. Then add in the eggs, flour, salt, and vanilla extract, and beat them in until they're combined. And scrape down the sides if you need to. When the brownies are completely cooled, pour the cheesecake batter on top of them, spreading it out until it's even. Then remove the cookie dough from the freezer, take off the plastic wrap, and place it on top of the cheesecake batter. Then bake it in the oven for about 45 minutes until the cookie dough is nicely browned and it's no longer jiggly in the center. Then remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool completely or until it's just slightly warm. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours before serving it. And that's how to make brownie cookie dough cheesecake bars. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.